Hello, my name is Niel Steenkamp with Worth Avenue Yachts. Today we are on board a 2010 84 Ocean Alexander, the only one built with sky lounge and cockpit. Please come aboard and enjoy the tour with us. You board the 84 on the swim step through a gate and entering into the cockpit with a lot of storage, rocket launchers and bait tanks. A separate companionway gives you access to the crew quarter, which features a double berth as well as an ensuite head and shower. And forward of that is the entrance to the very spacious stand-up engine room. Dual stairs port and starboard of the cockpit gives you access onto the California deck, which also features a drop-down TV and a refrigerator ice maker for entertainment before you enter the salon. As you can see, the salon features an L-shaped settee with two barrel chairs to port. You have a pop-up television also in the port aft corner, as well as on the starboard side you have your crystal storage with a wine cooler and ice maker. Moving forward into the galley, you'll notice that she has a central island, which is different from the normal U-shaped galleys, and she also has a full complement of household appliances which will make any chef envious. Access to the staterooms are gained by a companionway leading forward from the galley, and you have 3 staterooms all en suite. The VIP stateroom is up forward with its own head and shower. The guest stateroom is after the VIP stateroom and features 2 twin bunks, also with its own head and shower. The master stateroom is located midships of the boat and features its own head and shower. It also features a walk-in closet, as well as right outside the master is a full-size stack washer dryer. The big difference when you go to the Sky Lounge between this 84 and other 74s are the steps leading to the Sky Lounge. These are all open, where the others were all enclosed. So Sky Lounge on this boat is of course the nerve center, and it has full electronics with 2 stitch chairs and access to the boat deck on port and starboard side. What makes this boat very unique as well is the fact that she has 5 control stations, 1 at the helm and 2 on wing stations outside the Sky Lounge, and a 4th outside on the California deck on a flip-up table. We also feature a yacht controller for the boat, which is the wireless remote control. The boat deck houses the tender as well as room for the barbecue and a chest freezer. Thank you for joining us today on this video tour of this beautiful Ocean Alexander 84 Sky Lounge motor yacht. Please feel free to contact me at any time should you have any questions, and hope to see you in the water soon.